Now we are moving on to the next model. So here these features can be patterned and these two features can be extruded or it can be revolved by a single cross section. So go with extrude, define internal sketch, taking the top datum plane as the sketching plane. Just draw a circle with some dimension, say 400 as the diameter or say 200 as the diameter, and say done, and add some depth, say some 25 as the depth, and this will be the base, so make it as 20, regenerate, and now go with extrude, define internal sketch, select this center datum plane, that is front datum plane as the sketching plane, and go with sketch references, select the top surface as the sketching plane, and now draw the cross section. So this way, horizontal, this way, this way, this way. Dimension, picking on this, say 50, and say done. Go with symmetric and say 50 as the value, or go with 40 as the value and say done. And go with round, pick on this edge and go with sets, make it as full round and say done. So full round will be created, and go with extrude, cut at this particular location, go with concentric, say select the surface and make a concentric hole which is 20 diameter and say done. Say cut, change the direction, through next and say done. And now, so here we have three features, this extrude, round and this cut. So these three features, extrude, round and extrude, can be grouped into one object, and just right click on that and say pattern. Go with dimension axis and select this particular axis, and there are 6 items need to be created, so go with 6 items with 360 by 6 gives 60 degrees and say done. So 6 items will be created. And now go with extrude, define internal sketch, select this top surface as the sketching plane and draw the circle at that particular location and say done, and give the depth and say done. This is the model, and you can just modify the depth of that particular feature, say some 15 as the depth, and regenerate it, so the feature will be created this way, and this completes our model.